9 double M's in a clip. 10, 11, 12 gauge shells in a stick. Certified without the stick. Made the side, we made a hit. Verified without the tick. Ay, the hollow tips that hit your whip and make you flip. Make you crash into a ditch. Make them slip and take a trip. Drop a rat, not drop a diss. Drop the cash and drop a hit. Do the dash and do the dip when I've got something on me hip. Free me bro, we go equipped. I'm the captain of the ship. Wearing blue like I'm a crib. I'm not banging for no gang. A bang for bro, it's off the rip. Tell fans I packs, I need a zip. Tell H I need a sip. And tell your bear that she's got nicks. He hates it when I'm broke, I bet he hate me now I'm rich. Got it popping in a celly. Pop me nose and pop me lip. Got him back and chopped the prick. Retaliation proper quick. I pulled up a prisoner on sight. On the yard like Chopper did. And fuck her up, I'm not a kid. Me or them, you've got a pick. Don't be playing both sides, you little snake, you make me sick. Verified without the tick, certified without the stick. Made the side, we made the hit. Ay, but we done it broad day and made them vanish. Just me and one of my amigos, but we're not Spanish. Last D, used to test it on a tree and check the damage. Independent cause I'm not the type of person you can manage. He don't want no beef, he's vegan. Pepper up a salad. Me bro is dropping missions on his own because he's callous. Get the drop, make it pop, you probably heard it out in Dallas. And you can call me Mal G, it's short for malice. I caught him slipping with his girl cause he's a gallus. I'm a rapper now, I'll rap until I bought me mama palace. They don't understand, it's not the Wonderland and I'm not Alice. And if you don't get it, that's a fairy tale. How the fuck